morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dung from AquaGleam. In my hand is a filter core in RO's purifiers. We are being used in almost Vietnamese family today. And after 6 months to 1 year, we need to replace them and inevitably release plastic into the environment. Today, AquaGleam will bring to you an environmentally friendly water treatment technology. And I think it will become a trend in the near future. Now, let's talk about industrial wastewater pollution in Vietnam. Vietnam is a developing country with a total of more than 326 industrial zones, but only 29% of industrial wastewater undergo proper treatment. And AquaGleam brings to you not only a solution to treat wastewater, but also we are doing revolution in wastewater treatment industry. We know that lithium is very important in energy security. Figure 1 describe electrochemical energy storage market capacity. And you can see that lithium-ion batteries is accounting largest portion with 88.8%. And now I will talk to you who we are. AquaGleam is pioneers in utilizing capacity deionization technology to provide solution for industrial wastewater treatment. And not only that, we can recover valuable metals such as phosphorus and lithium from contaminated wastewater. We target customers in industrial zones, aerospace industry, fertilizer manufacturer, semiconductor facility, and electric battery production. For our products, first and foremost, we need to research and create so many kinds of activated carbon suitable for specific ion in flow wastewaters. And after that, we coated activated carbons on the surface of CDI electrodes, and finally, we mass electrodes to create CDI stack. And you can see here we have some lithium recovery material. We also have a market survey results. This survey was to gather insight from 15 companies and factories operating in Vietnam about AquaGleam. You have some insight. The first is only 40% have heard about CDI to treat wastewater. And after hearing us, 46.7% have a positive perception with our products. And most significantly, 100% interest with our product and look forward to see it. In current market, we are proudly to say that we have a high unique solution and with affordable cost. CDI have some technical highlights, like low energy inputs, low fallings, high water recovery, and this why we can make high scalability easily. We have 4 visions. First is CDI leading future. Second is global significance. Third is cleaner Vietnam, and finally is research excellence. As a person with majoring in the field of environment, I have well aware in responsibility to the community and sustainable development. To launch AquaGleam, we have 4 stages. Stage 1 in the first 4 months preparation and research. In the next 6 months, development and testing. After that, deployment and initial operation, and finally marketing and expansion. In our revenue model, is the largest portion accounting by sale of CDI filtration machine with 45.45%. And we have break-even point in 4 years. We need to sell 132 units. And annual growth for each year is about 38%. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, thank you for the presentation. I think we are still very at an early stage of our company, but I'd like to know what's your go-to-market strategy in the future, and also who do you think your client would be? Your client definition. I'd like to know.
Can you repeat?
What's your go-to-market strategy, and who would be your client, potential clients?
Right. I think the company is have wastewater with components rich phosphorus and lithium is the target customer of us. Yeah.
Well, first of all, well done and congratulations. Very inspiring to see, young entrepreneurs, doing great things in sustainability. And as Jungmi has said, very early stage, but great. Well done on making an effort. I have 2 questions. Number one, you mentioned that you have surveyed 15 companies, and then 43% of them have a good impressions of your idea. Then how that means that it's 8 potential clients, right? Then how can you persuade those 8 clients to buy the product or fund the initial investment for your companies? So if I were among those 8, how would you persuade me as a client? Second question is that you mentioned that research excellence is one of the core value of your company. Then can you give us some more elaborations about your team compositions, and then how you can back up yourself as a research excellence company? Thank you.
Yes. For the first question, I think I will persuade our customer because the popular wastewater system in Vietnam today is need to large space, need to aerobic tank, septic tank, and so many kind of chemical. But our product don't need any chemical, but only organic to link the activities carbon, and it's safe energy because we need only 1 to 1.6 voltage to operating our product. And besides, we can recover heavy metal like phosphorus and lithium. It's very important in our life. It's phosphorus in food industry, in fertilizer industry, and lithium in the battery to produce batteries. Yeah, and can you repeat the second question?
The question is about your team.
Yeah.
Who among your team members?
Yes.
So that it could be a research excellence company.
Yeah, I'm the researcher in my team, and we have a marketing CMO and CFO too. Yeah, and I launched my research in 3 years ago to research about the phosphorus recovery, and you can see the material to recover lithium. I just done in the last week.
Only one question. Thank you so much for the pitch. Such an innovative idea. So actually, I read a paper you submitted to the organizer on your technology. Just want to ask you about your commercialization pathway. have you got any intellectual property rights for that technology yet? And if not, how do you plan to get the IP for that technology?
Now I have a factory in Hưng Yên province in the north of Vietnam, and now we want to reduce the cost of the product. Now the shell product is made by metal, but I think we can use the plastic, the recycled plastic, yeah, to reduce the cost of the product and the electrodes. With activated carbon, we can use the low-cost activated carbon made by coconut or wood. Okay.